Hi, this is Mike from Stagecoach Road Sewing, and we've got a really cool machine to share with you today. This is a Japanese-made machine, and some of the finest machines I've seen have come out of Japan. This is a Singer. I didn't know that any Singers had been made in Japan, but this is a Japanese-made Singer. Check that out. Isn't that pretty? And it's a heavy, all steel machine. A lot of power, real nice precision feel to it. So it's just been restored, and I'm going to take it on its final test run. And so let's thread this thing up, and you can see and hear it run. Alright, we'll start our demonstration with a piece of flannel. Let's do a fairly short stitch length, straight stitch for starters. Let's go with some zigzag here. And this has something I haven't seen before. It's got a separate blind stitch switch. So that was flannel. And here we have some denim. This is fairly heavy denim. Start with 2 layers here. Alright, 2 layers of heavy denim. And we're still blind stitching. Let's start with, again, straight stitch. We have infinite speed control. So that was 2 layers of heavy denim. And this thing hardly even noticed that it was there. So now we're going to double that to make 4 layers. Double it again. And so 8 layers of heavy denim. See, like a breeze. Maybe a little stitch, zigzag stitch here. And 8 layers of denim just slid right under the presser foot. There's a lot of room under that presser foot, and there's a lot of harp space here for your big and bulky projects. So 8 layers of heavy denim, and we'll sew 2 layers of split leather. I just can't believe how much room there is under that presser foot. That is so impressive. Let's do a straight stitch on this. And I'm not going to change over to a leather needle. You'll want to use a leather needle for your projects if you sew leather, because it makes a stronger stitch in leather. Okay. Let's do a longer stitch. You also want to do a little longer stitches in leather, just for strength. You see? No problem sewing 2 layers of fairly heavy split leather. You can see that. It's a nice looking even stitch. So there you have it. Man, that's a nice machine. There are some machines that I just really would like to keep because they're just such a pleasure, and this is one of them. It's got power to spare and a lot of momentum, and just a real nice precision feel to it. Let's see. Feed dogs drop on this machine. Is that right? Yeah. Feed dogs drop. It's a little sticky. I'll take care of that before I send it out. Yeah, the feed dogs drop for darning, freehand sewing, machine embroidery, that sort of thing. Stitch width from 0 to 5. Bobbin winder over here. Just a really, really nice machine, and the person that buys this is going to be very pleased with it. So this machine and lots of other really cool machines you're going to find on our website at stagecoachroadsewing.com. If you've come here from some other location, stagecoachroadsewing.com is our website. The shop is on Stagecoach Road, way out here in the Coast Range of Oregon. And some of our closest neighbors are otters and bald eagles and bears and cougars and chickens. So that's it. Singer 223, Japanese-made Singer. This one comes, I guess this one will come in a case. For a local buyer, we may be able to come up with a cabinet for you. If you're buying long distance, economically it might be better if you look around in your local thrift store and find a cabinet there, because you can probably pick up a nice cabinet for $20 or less, whereas shipping would be expensive. Let's see, anything else to say? Not really. Oh, you want to see another cool machine? Check this one out. Another nice heavy duty. This is a South African machine. Actually, it was made in Japan for a South African company. But it's got some interesting features, like the lift the hood feature. Some attachments. Real nice heavy duty braided cord. But this is not the machine we're talking about. But it'll give you an idea of some of the out of the ordinary things that you'll find on our website. Singer 431, which is it's basically a 401A with a free arm and a fold-up bed extension, like featherweight. Well, what else? Well, we've got a nice little hand crank singer, but this one's already been sold. It's going to Texas, I believe, or was it New Mexico? Well, don't worry, I'll send it to the right place. So, stagecoachroadsewing.com, check us out. You're going to see some really cool machines there, and we have some cool videos of goings on up here in the hills and valleys of the Coast Range. But I'm blathering on, and I'm taking up your web surfing time. stagecoachroadsewing.com, check us out. Find some really cool machines.